Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today is a big one. We got some celebrating to do. Just crushing all-time highs day after day, I feel like. I mean, the market has been on an absolute tear recently. As you see, looks a lot different. I'm using Robinhood's new, I believe it's called Robinhood Legend. It's for desktop. Lovely. I'm still figuring it out. I've been playing with it for like the past hour or two, just trying to learn it, how to add certain things, but I'm really liking it. And we're gonna talk about Robinhood in this video today. I mean, they're firing on all cylinders. It's insane, but yeah, really easy to use. I got Transmedics, another company I'm going to be talking about today, pulled up right here. But yeah, man, everybody wants to hate on Robinhood, but they're innovating. They're user friendly. I mean, it's just so easy and um, easy to use and enjoyable to use. So I still got the normal screen pulled up here. Look at this. Year to date performance is up 33.2%. I'm pretty proud of that. That's awesome. I'm outperforming the SP 500 by a little bit, not as much as I'd want, but you also got to keep in mind here. There's a quote that goes, "Rising tides raise all boats." And what this means is it's kind of relates to that one quote, "Everyone's a genius in a bull market." And it's true. You know, it's easy to get all these gains when the market just goes up and up and up and rallies. But, you know, when stuff starts to take a turn for the downside, it's going to be a whole different ball game. But nonetheless, we're holding strong all our positions here. I'm going to move me out of the way real quick. Meta, Microsoft, Amazon. Amazon's been crazy. Amazon announced that it's releasing its own, or it's not even releasing, it's using its own chips to rival Nvidia. It's creating all these AI models. Insane. Amazon's insane right now. Sitting at almost $220 a share. Stocks are getting expensive, guys. I mean, things are crawling up. We got Meta, our number one position is at all-time highs, above $600 a share. Beautiful. Hims at $34. We have 100 shares of Hims. Our average cost here, it's actually our biggest gainer, guys. Our average cost here is let's see, 21.22, and we are up almost 60%, or $1,272. So a huge winner so far. We'll see how it pans out in the long run, but man, I'm just like in the way today. Hold on. Just holding strong, not selling any shares, but yeah, man, Hims has been on a tear. I mean, the whole market's been on a tear. I mean, I'm sure you guys are crushing all-time highs as well. Transmedics has been pulling our portfolio down a little bit. I'm gonna talk about them right now. So I'm not sure if I've ever made a video covering Transmedics in like somewhat detail, but Transmedics, basically, I'm trying to oversimplify it. It's a medical technology company, focuses on organ transplants, creates these machines that keeps the organs alive and viable much longer than traditional just cold transportation, where they just throw the organ on ice and take it. I mean, these machines are actually it's really incredible. I watched a video on it, and it's actually like rushing blood through the organ, keeping it alive. I mean, it can last 24 hours on this machine, compared to the very few hours based on the traditional way. So really disrupting that space, growing at extremely fast rates. Let's go back to Robinhood Legend. But as you see, the chart, I mean, what a drop. Imagine if you bought up here at 173. You'd be down considerably, almost 60, I think over 60%. But our average cost is at 81, I believe. We're down $200 on this. This is our only negative position, but I'm not worried about it. I've been listening to they had a conference, I believe, yesterday after market close, and they got another investor day conference December 10th. So I'll be listening to that. But I mean, it's such a simple company and so easy to understand, but they showed a quarter over quarter revenue decline and profit decline, and market freaked out. I mean, this stock has been thrown to the garbage. And then the other day they announced a new CFO, and they tightened the guidance even after. So the whole year they cut guidance by about 5%, and the stock's down like 60% from all-time highs. So it's a no-brainer buy, in my opinion. They're doing like 3,000 to 4,000 transplants right now, and they're saying they're on track to do 10,000 by 2028. And I just heard them say on this call, 10,000 isn't where we're stopping. We're going to be taking that 10,000 to 20,000, international expansion, and this and that. So the long term thesis is still intact, and that's what you have to realize with these plays. The short term noise is irrelevant, and you're going to have a lot of these overreactions. Even though I'm down, I'm not stressing about it because the long term thesis is intact. I'll let the market, keep throwing it away, and I'll pick up more shares for cheap. I got 22 shares right now. I'll probably get it up to 25, and that'll be it for this position. But this is an easy double, like easy 2 to 3x in the next coming years. So, I mean, unless this thesis change, I'll be paying attention to their next earnings. If they have another quarter-over-quarter decline, then that's a whole nother story. But based on management and all the calls and all the comments, the long-term thesis is still on track. Even the full year guidance, I mean, next year they said they have so many catalysts coming. So yeah, I'm stacking up here under $75 a share. It's a buy. I like that at $85 a share. I love it at $75 a share. So I'm buying more. That's what I'm buying right now. One stock that I've been wanting to buy, but I haven't really had much of an opportunity to because it's been on a tear, and rightfully so. Robinhood. Robinhood stock. Good Lord. I love the company, but I hate the stock price because in a year it's up 326%. And I think it deserves, this price action, but I mean, it's trading at a little over 50 times earnings, I believe, forward earnings. But you got to realize this isn't just some YOLO platform anymore, all right? You got a amazing user interface, beginner friendly, and now getting into the advanced big dogs, retirement accounts. This platform that is so diverse. I mean, you had election contracts that you could buy. Now the CEO's talking about getting into sports betting. The Robinhood Gold credit card, the Robinhood Gold subscription service that gives values to people that subscribe to it. Like I said, retirement accounts, options, the Robinhood Legend trading. I mean, the list goes on. This company is innovating like crazy and is just being a huge disruptor to the whole finance world. So I really want to position here. I'm in at 36.69 for only 15 shares. I want to get to 100 shares, but I don't like buying this above $40 a share. I prefer it in the low 30s or around $30 a share. But with crypto booming like it is right now, Robinhood's going to keep going up because they benefit from that a lot. They mentioned at their investor day that they have 50% of the trading volume of Coinbase while only listing 10% of the coins that they do. So Robinhood is just insane. Speaking of crypto, Bitcoin is above $100,000 a coin. Congrats to all holders. I don't hold Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency, but like I said, I'm getting in Robinhood, so I will have some exposure. Robinhood will benefit with the prices going up, people trading. So yeah, insane crypto. But that's my moves, guys. Portfolio's doing well. A little nervous with all this excitement and enthusiasm in the market. Usually that's not a great sign. I would not be surprised to see a pullback over the next coming weeks or months. Maybe 2025 is another 20% year for the SP 500, or maybe it's like 2022 and we get a big pullback. So we got the Fed meeting coming up later this year. We got inflation reports and stuff like that. So there's a few things that could spook the market, but we're also going into an amazing environment for 2025. We got an administration that's just amazing for the stock market, lowering gas prices. The economy's going to do great. Lowering interest rates. It's just, we're going to be in great shape. But like I said, there's been so much enthusiasm and hype in this market. Valuations are getting really stretched. So stay cautious when others are greedy. Be greedy when others are cautious. So that's it, guys, for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And I told you guys my plays I'll be making next week. Trying to keep you guys informed. I got a vacation to Colorado coming up, so I won't be making a video then, but I will definitely make another one before I leave. So thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.